Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create LinkedIn carousel post. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. And here's how you can do it. Open your web browser on your Windows computer and go to the LinkedIn website. Log into your LinkedIn account if you haven't already. And scroll down, find the activities section box at the top of the feed. Click on the create post. In the post box, you'll see various icons. Click on the document icon. This icon is used for creating carousel posts. A file explorer window will open. Select the image or documents you want to include in your carousel post. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key while clicking on the files. Now click Open to upload them. LinkedIn will display your selected files as a carousel at the bottom of the post box. You can click and drag the files to rearrange the order. LinkedIn supports various file formats, including image, JPG, and PNG, and documents, PDF, PPT. Below each image or document, you can add captions, write a brief description for each slide to provide context. You can also click on the link icon to add URLs if you want to direct viewers to specific websites related to each slide. If applicable, you can tag people by typing @ followed by their name. You can also add relevant hashtags by typing hashtags followed by the hashtag's keyword. Once you've organized your carousel, added captions, and made any other desired changes, click on the Post button to publish your LinkedIn carousel post. It will be visible to your connections and followers in the LinkedIn feeds. And remember to creating engaging and informative content for each slide in your carousel post to capture the attention of your audience effectively. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.